So many programming languages, but why? Can't one language just build everything? The short answer, no. The long answer, also no. Different projects need different tools, just like you wouldn't use a hammer to fix a laptop. How do I find the right programming language? In today's video, I will cover you up. Let's talk about the biggest project in programming right now, AI. AI has grown a lot over the years. It used to just play chess. Now it can chat, draw, code, and even do your homework. So what is the best programming language for this job? It is Python. So why is Python the go-to language for artificial intelligence? Let's break it down. Python is simple. The syntax is clean, like writing plain English. That makes it perfect for beginners and pros alike, especially when you're focused on logic, not chasing semicolons. Python has powerful libraries built specifically for AI and machine learning. TensorFlow and PyTorch for deep learning. Scikit-learn for traditional machine learning. Pandas and NumPy for data wrangling. Matplotlib and Seaborn for visuals. Got an error? Python's community has probably already solved it. Tutorials, forums, GitHub repos, help is everywhere. Google, OpenAI, Netflix, and even NASA use Python in AI projects. So if you're learning it, you're in excellent company. Game development is one of the most underrated paths to take. First, let's explain it. Game development is the process of creating a video game, from the idea in your head to the game on your screen. It combines art, design, storytelling, coding, and sometimes music to build an interactive experience that players can enjoy. If you want to start game development, you must know what a framework and a game engine is. What is a game engine? A game engine is a complete tool set that helps you build, test, and run a game. It includes a visual editor, a physics system, animation tools, audio support, scripting support, asset management, build/export tools. Some examples are Unity, Unreal Engine, Godot, GameMaker. What is a framework? A framework is just a set of tools or code libraries that help you build a game, but it is a more do-it-yourself than an easy shortcut path. A framework includes: you do more of the setup yourself. You don't get a visual editor or ready-made physics. You control how things are structured. It's usually lighter and more flexible, but also more code-heavy. Examples are Pygame for Python, Phaser for JavaScript/HTML5 games, Monogame.net/C#, SDLC/C++. Frameworks are harder than game engines, but frameworks have more control than a game engine. App development is the one which makes the most money out of all these. If your plan is to get rich by programming, app development is the best way. What is app development? App development is the process of creating software applications that run on devices like smartphones, tablets, or computers. Types of app development. Mobile app development. Apps that run on Android or iOS. Built with languages like Java/Kotlin for Android, Swift for iOS. Web app development. Apps that run in a browser. Made with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and frameworks like React, Vue, or Angular. Desktop app development. Apps that run on Windows, macOS, or Linux. Built using languages like Python, Java, C# or tools like Electron. If you want something that can cover all these types, the best option are Flutter. Flutter is an open-source UI toolkit by Google for building beautiful, cross-platform apps from a single code base. Using the Dart language, it lets developers create fast, responsive apps for Android, iOS, web, and desktop. Flutter includes built-in widgets, hot reload, and powerful tools for modern mobile development. React Native. React Native is a popular open-source framework created by Meta that lets developers build mobile apps for Android and iOS using JavaScript and React. It allows you to write one code base that runs on both platforms, using native components for performance and a smooth user experience. Wow, this is a lot of information put into one video. This took a very long time to make. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.